Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with simplifying an algebraic expression which requires a little bit of factorization as well. So they've given us x squared minus 4x over x squared minus 2x minus 8. So there's not much we can do here because it's a combination of unlike terms. So we need to do some sort of factorization to see if we can start cancelling out some of the things in the numerator and in the denominator. Right, so let's start off with our numerator and see if there's anything we can factorize there. Now my eyes immediately see an x squared and a 4, so I'm very tempted to do a difference of two squares. The only issue is we've got this x over here which isn't a perfect square, and therefore that cannot be the way to go. Remember, whenever it comes to factorization, the first thing you do, or try to do, is see if there is a highest common factor that you can pull out. In this case, both of the terms has an x, so we know we can pull out an x. So we're going to pull out an x, and we'll be left with x minus 4. What does that mean? Well, it means if we multiply the x back in, we're going to have x squared minus 4x, which takes us back to the original term, which is always a useful check to see that you've factorized correctly. In the bottom, we can't pull out a highest common factor. We can clearly see that it isn't a difference of two squares, but we do see that there are three terms with an x squared, which tends to mean that there is going to be a trinomial that we can factorize over there. So when it comes to factorizing a trinomial, we open up two brackets. We look at this sign first. If that sign is a negative, it means that we've got two different signs in our brackets. We then need to square our first term. So the squaring of the first term is going to give us x and x. Right, now we need to find two numbers that multiply to 8 but subtract to 2. That is because we've got the negative here. So two numbers that multiply to 8 and subtract to 2. Now in my mind, 2 and 4 comes to mind. 2 times 4 gives us 8. 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Now where would you write which? Now because we've got a minus sign over there, we know that the bigger number needs to go to the minus brackets. So we're going to have x minus 4 over there, and we're going to have x plus 2 over there. Now we've done all of the factorizing that we need to do. Is there anything we can do now to simplify this expression? Now immediately I see that we've got an x minus 4 on top and an x minus 4 at the bottom. So that means I can cancel out those x minus 4s, and that is going to leave me with a final answer of x over x plus 2. And that's going to give me the final answer because I can't do anything more there. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Also remember to head over to our website to check for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.